I thought it would be much faster speed than that.
No, it's
You can do this dry or wet.
well, you should always use water. It keeps the wheel clean and it cools. But what I was doing, this bar I never move, but to keep the same angle every time, I mark it with permanent
Sharpie?
marker, and then I test it. See, right now I'm a little bit on the heel, so I should adjust it some more.
Oh, you're just changing the angle.
Yep. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then I can put a water bath to it. Yeah, it's just a
Razor sharp?
not yet. Soon there, though.
I don't see much water on the blade. It's there though. I can.
It evaporated. Put your finger to that edge.
Right up here. Yeah, that'll cut you. That'll peel some chips. So that's the big wheel. Then you go over to the rubber belt.
Normally I don't use it. I do for my wood carving gouges. But
Well, that's how you do it. You just lift that up into the wheel.
right, right.
Get her damp. This is just a solid stone. What's this third small wheel for? Is that for sharpening too? Or polishing?
Well, let's just show and tell.
Looks like stone, leather, and
Let's say you're going to polish this tool. Let me come.
because it looks like that radius is already shaped.
Right. So you can run it on here to buff it. Or you can run it in here,
To buff it.
or you can tip it over and you can do it in there.
Oh, I never even thought about putting it on that side.
Or you can clean it up with this.
And this is all at low RPM.
Right.
Made in Sweden. This looks like a, what do you call it, a belt, a leather belt. And then you get an adjustable brace. On switch here, and put these up here.
No, I just throw them on the table.
So this has been an excellent grinder for the last 10 years, these Tormeks. But on my wish list is the Tormek T4. As you can see here, this is a great quality from the Europeans. When I visited Switzerland and Sweden, we know that these guys make excellent woodworking tools. This is my favorite heavy-duty tool grinder. It does come in at a 32-pound weight, and the wheel only spins at 90 RPM versus the T4, which is 120 RPM. So you may be looking at the T4 like this, which is a smaller portable, which is great for a compact grinder. It's only 17 pounds. It does not have the adjusting water trough like the T4 does. And it does only have an 8-inch grinding wheel, where the T4, like this, has a 10-inch grindstone. And you can get this in a Blackstone silicone grindstone on this one. But for reviewing the T4 and the T4, I guess the T4 Tormek is this newer model here, would be on my wish list for purchase here next. Check out in the description where you can purchase these tools. Also, if you like more of these videos, please hit the subscribe button below.